Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 7 45mm, and this one I got from Amazon. Earlier I was thinking of getting an Apple Watch Series 8, but looking at the differences and comparisons, I decided to go with Series 7. So let me unbox it, and I hope you guys will like this video. So, as we all know, Apple does not only sell its products, it sells a premium experience with it, and that is quite visible from this video. And when I open the outer covering, I see there are two small boxes inside it. One is having the main piece, and the other one is having the straps. So, let's go ahead with the unboxing of the strap first, and inside we get some documentation, and there are two strap pieces. One is I think medium and the other one is large. You can adjust according to your wrist, and that's why they have given multiple options. Not multiple, just two, but still they will fit most of us. And the next thing is the Apple Watch itself. So again, let's go ahead and try to unbox it. And again, the experience, it gets premium only since it's such an Apple thing. So as soon as I open the box, I get again some documentation, I believe, and okay, let's keep it aside. Oh no, there's something inside it. Yeah, again the documentation, so we'll need not to worry about it. Let me put it back and then just keep it on the other side. So this is the charging cable that we get along with it, and this is a C-type charging cable which has a magnetic strap on the other side. And okay, let's go ahead and try to unbox the actual timepiece, and it comes inside a leather-like cover, but which is not actually leather. So let me try to get it out of this. And okay, this looks exquisite. So as you can tell, like, everything is just top notch. If you see the screen, it is certified IP66 dust resistant, and definitely comes on with that always on retina display, and it goes up to a peak brightness of 1000 nits. So yeah, I just got it turned on, and it's got a lot of sensors on the back, ECG and oxygen monitoring sensor. So yeah, these things are there. Currently it is showing low battery. I hope that will be resolved with the watchOS 9 update that is over the year now. And this is the cable. Let's have a closer look at how it actually looks like. See, there's a metallic finish on the back side. And okay, so that is how I tried to put on the strap, which was quite easy. And I think there are still some paper pieces left after the unboxing, so let me remove them. And yeah, this looks just great.